Let go. It's very important in life. We don't get deeper, we don't get to know ourselves if we don't let go. We wear new clothes every day because we want to see a new imprint, a new resonation of ourselves. And so, just like that, our souls are wearing imprints from the time we were born. And unfortunately, because of a lot of changes that have happened in our evolutionary format, our bodies don't sort of take in these imprints and create this seamless path. What they do actually is they store these imprints in various aspects of our lives, and they create manipulations. And so malfunctions begin there, of personalities, of health. So pretty much at some age in our life, we know who we have created ourselves to be rather than knowing who we are deeply. And when these layers drop off one by one is when we get to know, oh my God, that is me. So I have that personality, I have that talent, and that is the moment where you don't feel like life is an effort. There's a seamlessness between any person you interact with or in a situation. You don't plan what you're going to be speaking. You know how it is when in a corporate world, if you're from a corporate world, or just let's say on a personal life, how we sort of leave our homes and plan the conversation. Oh, I'm going to be speaking to this person. Okay, that means that I have to affirm myself in this way. I have to refrain from talking these things. I better make sure I'm very short and sweet. I don't want to be very elaborate. We literally do like a dialogue much before we've had that interaction. And that's a baggage. That's like the weight you're carrying. In the actual world, in the real world that we live in, every situation that you're physically experiencing has already happened much before you landed there. Okay? That's the fact. It's scientifically proven. Physics, quantum physics has proven it time and again. Why we are a little away from that is because we have a physical format, we have a body. So by the time experiences come through these bodies and manifest, it's a delayed response. Things that actually happen at a very unconscious level. So that's the reason we live a very conscious life, we live in a conscious world, and so we plan these conversations. Okay, so from some past remembrance you say, the interaction I had with ABC was a little tough, was a little rough, and I think the only way to take care of that is to make sure I don't repeat those mistakes again. So this time when I interact, I'm going to be speaking like this. And that just goes on in every interaction, in every response, in every emotional behavior. Literally, we're training ourselves to execute in a certain way as opposed to really seamlessly be. Yeah? So I want to get to know in an experiential way why that happens. I want to go away from logic. Because logic is available in every book, it's available in all of us, our minds are talking. I think what all of us really want is experience. Am I right? Yeah? We only get what we want, by the way. And the answers come if you ask me the question. So if you don't ask me questions, I don't give answers. Right? So this is a platform for us to get to know each other. Alright? For me, I think as fellow beings, we all are in the same level in terms of our creation. But our manifestations are so different from each other, and that's a good thing in a way, but they're so different from each other that instead of creating a great blend, it creates rifts, which is not the way the world was supposed to be. Differences were supposed to create a lot of happiness, a lot of variety, a lot of contentment. But what is it actually doing? It's actually creating a discord.